Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by enabling backup and sync so new photos are safe. Open Google Photos and tap your profile, then backup and sync. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and choose which device folders you want backed up, such as camera and screenshots. Make sure to set upload size, original or storage saver, to control quality versus space. If you have limited storage, consider freeing space or upgrading. These first actions get your library into the cloud reliably. Now you organize and improve images. Create albums to group trips or projects and star favorites for quick access. You'll find edit tools under the photo, crop, rotate, color sliders, and the auto enhance option. Apply non-destructive edits so originals stay available. Once organized, use the search bar, type people, places, or objects to find photos instantly and create shared albums to collaborate. If you need bulk actions, long press multiple items to add to an album or archive. Finish by sharing and ensuring continuous backup. Use Share to send links or enable a partner account for automatic sharing of selected people. Make sure device folders are toggled if other apps save images you want backed up. For final reliability, check sync status in settings and verify Google account storage. If uploads stop, clear cache, update the app, or sign out and back in. If photos still fail, confirm Wi-Fi or mobile upload settings and restart the device. That usually resolves lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.